हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, अभी आपने पढ़ा एडजॉइंट एंड इनवर्स। अब हम कुछ प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे जिससे आपको कंटेंट क्लियर हो जाए। ये एक्सरसाइज 4.5 क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 गिवन है। a इज इक्वल टू 3 1 -1 2 एंड वी हैव टू वेरीफाई a स्क्वायर माइनस 5a प्लस 7i इज इक्वल टू 0 एंड हैंस टू फाइंड a इनवर्स। फर्स्ट वी विल वेरीफाई द इक्वेशन a स्क्वायर माइनस 5a plus 7i is equal to 0. So we will find out a square. A square implies a dot a is equal to a implies 3 1 minus 1 2 and 3 1 minus 1 and 2. Multiply. When we multiply this row and this column, तो 3 3 9 और प्लस 9 minus 1 9 minus 1 8 फिर 3 1 3 और प्लस 2 5 minus 3 and minus 2 minus 5 और minus 1 plus 4 3. This is a square. Now 5a. 5a implies 5 into a. A 3 1 minus 1 2 5 3 15 5 minus 5 10. I imply identity matrix of order 2. So 7i. 7i implies 7 into 1 0 0 1 implies 7 0 0 7. Now if we put in left hand side, then a square minus 5a plus 7i. A square. A square implies 8 5 minus 5 3 plus 5a. 5a implies 15 5 minus 5 10 plus 7 minus 5a minus and plus 7i. 7i implies 7 0 0 7. Now these are the matrices of same order, so we will add them element wise. This is 8 8 minus 15 minus 7 plus 7 0. Again 5 5 minus 5 0 और 0 plus 0 0. Second element 5 और minus minus plus, तो minus 5 plus 5 0 और 0 plus 0 0. 3 3 minus 10 minus 7 plus 7 0. So this is 0 matrix implies 0. Hence we can say a square minus 5a plus 7i is equal to 0. ये हमने वेरीफाई किया। अब हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे a इनवर्स। हालांकि a इनवर्स एडजॉइंट ऑफ a अपॉन डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ a से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन क्वेश्चन में लिखा हुआ है हैंस फाइंड a इनवर्स। तो हम क्या करेंगे, जो गिवन इक्वेशन है इसी को यूज करेंगे a इनवर्स फाइंड आउट करने के लिए। हैंस जहां लिखा हुआ है मतलब हमें वही इक्वेशन यूज करनी है। हैंस फाइंड a इनवर्स। नाउ गिवन इक्वेशन इज a स्क्वायर माइनस 5a प्लस 7i इज इक्वल टू 0 मल्टीप्लाइंग बाई a इनवर्स। मल्टीप्लाइंग बाई a inverse. What we get? A inverse into a square minus 5a inverse into a plus 7a inverse I is equal to 0 into a inverse. Okay? अब a inverse, a square implies a into a minus 5. A inverse a. A inverse a is what? I. The product of any matrix with its inverse is equal to I minus 5i plus I into a inverse or 0 into a inverse 0. Again here a inverse I or ia implies a minus 5i plus 7a inverse is equal to 0 or 7a inverse is equal to 5i minus a, और a inverse is equal to 1 upon 7 5i minus A. So we will use this result. Now putting the value, then A inverse is equal to 1 upon 7, 5i. 5i implies 1, 0, 0, 1 minus A. A implies 3, 1, minus 1, 2. So what we get? 5 multiplied with this, yani 5, 0, 0, 5 minus 3, 1, minus 1, 2. 5 minus 3, 1 upon 7. 1 upon 7. So what we get? 5 minus 3, 2. 0 minus 1, minus 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Or 5 minus 2, 3. This is the inverse of A by using this equation. Okay. Same question number 14. In question number 14 given A is equal to 3, 2, 1, 1. And we have to find out A and B such that A square plus A into A plus BI is equal to 0. So first we will find out A square. A square implies A into A. A 3, 2, 1, 1 multiplied with 3, 2, 1, 1. What we get? 3, 3, 9 plus 2, 11. Again 3, 2, 6, 6, 2, 8. 1, 3, 1 plus 1, 4. 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 3. This is A square. Now putting the value of A square in the given equation. A square 11, 8, 4, 3 plus A multiplied with A. A implies 3, 2, 1, 1 plus B multiplied with I, because A is the matrix of second order, so I will also be a matrix of second order. So I implies 1, 0, 0, 1 is equal to 0. 0 implies 0 matrix of second order. So all elements are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, because this is the addition, so we will add element wise. Corresponding elements 11 plus 3a plus b. 11 plus 3a plus b. First element again 8 plus 2a plus 0. So 8 plus 2a. फिर 4 plus a plus 0 implies 4 plus a. Here 3 plus a plus b. 3 plus a plus b or is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. These two matrices are equal of second order, and by the equality of matrix, if two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are also equal. So implies comparing what we get, 11 plus 3a plus b is equal to 0 and 8 plus 2a is equal to 0. This is first, this is second. From second, 8 plus 2a is equal to 0, so a is equal to minus 4. Putting in first, this is from second. So 11 plus 3 into minus 4 plus b is equal to 0. So 11 minus 12 plus b is equal to 0 minus 1 plus b is equal to 0 or implies b is equal to 1. So b is equal to 1 and a is equal to minus 4. Now question number 15 and 16. Same as question number 13. First you will verify the equation and then find the inverse using inverse multiplication. Now question number 17 and 18, these are MCQs, and in the new question paper pattern there will be 10 MCQs. So question number 17, A be non-singular square matrix of order 3, then determinant of adjoint of A. Determinant of adjoint of A. And to find determinant of adjoint of A, we will use the property of adjoint. In the previous topic, we have discussed that if A is a square matrix of order n, then determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power n minus 1. So here order is 3 given. So determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power 3 minus 1, यानी determinant of A square. So option B is correct. Determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A square. Same question number 18 is also MCQ. A is invertible matrix of order 2, then determinant of A inverse. Question number 18. We have to find out determinant of A inverse. Let A is a non-singular square matrix. Let A is non-singular square matrix. Then there exists inverse such that A inverse is equal to I. If A is non-singular, so A exists inverse such that A inverse is equal to I. Taking determinant both sides, so determinant of A inverse is equal to determinant of I. By the property of determinant, if determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A or into determinant of B. So here determinant of A into determinant of A inverse is equal to determinant of I. Identity matrix determinant 1. So determinant of A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A, or we can say determinant of A inverse 1 upon determinant of A. So option B is correct. Option B is correct. So this is question number 80. Now you will solve all the remaining questions.